Isa sa mga nagbigay ng magandang laban sa larangan ng boxing ay itong ating pambato na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Dahil kapag ka nandoon ito sa ibabaw ng lona, ay siguradong madugong laban talaga ang ating masaksihan. Isa sa pinakamatinding laban ni Magsayo at kauna-unahang knockdown nito sa kanyang karera ay noong nakaharap nito ang Mexican boxer na susunod nga daw sa yapak ni Eric Morales na si Julio Ceja. Sa mga hindi po nakakalam, sa face-off pa lang ay nagyabang na ito si Ceja sa ating pambato at sinabi nito na siya na nga daw ang magpapatulog at dudungi sa malinis na kartada ni Magsayo. Dahil sa panahon pong ito mga idol ay undefeated pa ang ating pambato na si Mark Magsayo. Halina't balikan at sabay-sabay nating panuorin ang laban ng ating pambato na kung saan tinuruan ng leksyon ni Magsayo ang mayabang na Mexican boxer na si Julio Ceja. Round 1 pa lang ay pinikita na ni Magsayo kung gaano siya kalakas. Bagsak ang Mexican boxer matapos matamahan ito na napakalakas na left hook ni Magsayo.
And there's the uppercut. Got that long jab and a beautiful uppercut. Now,
so this is, Pacquiao's his manager.
Oh, and look, and he believes in him. Like from the Philippines, he said, so I want to help the Filipino fighter. Ceja digs back in as he tries to get back in.
Ceja would like to be known the nose on the end of those punches.
But at this point, I think the main thing for Ceja and Ismael Salas is get out of this round. Let's clear your head. Well, his head looks clear now. He did not look clear for the first 10 seconds after.
He bounced back good. He's in your digging. See, he knows what he's doing on the inside. You see he just has lots of skills on the inside.
Say about that for 7 rounds before he got knocked out in the 8th. But then he earned it. Final 30 seconds of round number 1. And Sayo is just explosive. Look at the upper spot. All by Ceja. We know it's a stunned him, it stunned us. That hook just whistled over Ceja's head. That is how hard he throws that. Oh, he got off with a lead hook there. A sensational opening round for Mark Magsayo right there. The magnificent in his last 8 fights. So he's been through this before. Clear his head. Calm.
Very confident and encouraging. I think the fighter needs that when they have a rough round like that, and he gave some good instructions. Nice job.
This is okay.
Right. Well, sometimes, you have to tell him what could be, not exactly what it is.
Well put. Nice combination. Lead hook. And Ceja just
now. Ceja's listening to what Salas told him. He's keeping his hands up good. This could be it.
Ceja with a good body shot there with the hook halfway through. Round number 2. I'm just getting close to wars. He went to the UK in 2013. That's 8 years ago. Close. That's 8 years ago. He's been through a lot.
Oh, yeah. And he's fought some great guys against Rigondeaux.
Yeah. He was outlanding him. Cleanly outlanding him, outboxing him. But good with these sharp punches now.
Believe me, he's staying out of this fight right now. He'll come in when he has to. Right now, he's not.
There's that 6-year. That's a nice right hand by Ceja.
Sure.
Nice combination. Tries the right hand lead. Now a right hand to the body. Good combinations by Ceja. Explosive, fast twitch. quick bouts. And again, Manny Pacquiao, as we get into round number 3, said he reminds me of my inspirational rise by Magsayo to get to this fight here tonight in Las Vegas.
It's very nice, and Fox and because what Ceja wants to do, he wants to get into.
Who has had the world class and world championship competition. So Magsayo is the guy who had something different.
He'll touch you in the head as a setup just to drop it. It's an old trick, but sometimes really.
I like how when you describe that, I know, it's a linger shot. Look at this combination. A little 5-punch action from Magsayo. And lets his hands go. Wow, that's impressive. Now he's in the corner. Trying to move his head, get out of the way of Ceja. Ceja now with his chance. Plenty of time left in this round.
He's really good at using his body as a defensive mechanism.
Does it there too. Lands with a hook. Blocked one shot.
Big investments.
He's the big star here tonight. That's the main event. Manny Pacquiao, Yordenis Ugas. Right here, though, give you a little preview. St. Jude Traders knocked down in round number 1 by Magsayo with a beautiful lead hook. Knocking.
On Ceja's last fight, he missed weight by 4.5 pounds but you guys, this is his first fight at 126, and he was already knocked down in the first round. Magsayo's best punch.
I think he's dead back. You don't see that. I like seeing fastballs. Like you got to get the timing, but they fought. Knocked him down 3 times in the first round. He could not adjust. Round number 4. Good fight so far. Magsayo showing the class.
Good liver shot by Ceja. That's right.
Fires back a double hook.
6th, 7th, 8th round. If you can not get clipped like that,
Look at this. Magsayo lighting. Not a wide discrepancy. Opposite.
the old saying goes, there's a lot of give and take here. Look at that. Nice little
That picked up the head of Magsayo. Magsayo fires back now. A lot of spirit in this young man.
Pagdating ng round 5 mga idol ay tila ba lumabas ang tapang na Mexican boxer. Walang takot niya itong nakipagsabayan kay Magsayo at nagaganti na nga ito. Bagsak din si Magsayo matapos matamaan ang panga nito.
While Ceja in here to be more.
You said it earlier, it's really fast. He's got
Wow.
good hands.
Another right hand to the body. That's 2. That's 3. And Jordan Bland brought up a good point. I just want to underline that. You move up 4 pounds, 122 to 120.
Tell me, the bigger man is right. There's no doubt about it. Ceja's 28 now. Every couple of years you tend to gain at the other transfer. So it's kind of a natural progression that he's on.
You see a little blood there under fire. By the way, we're going to hear from Caleb Plant, and maybe we'll get rare.
He's got him on the run right now. There's something wrong with Ceja. He'll fight back. But Ceja's got him on the run with a body shot.
Tries to protect his body as well. He's got both arms quite the same. Ceja trying to make it. Now he's got him hurt. On the ropes, low buckling Magsayo's leg. Magsayo is buckled up. Magsayo is buckled up. And he goes down.
Never count a guy out.
7, 8. Withering body shots from Julio Ceja breaks him down. Heidi Androl standing by with Caleb.
Pagdating ng round 6 ay sinamantala agad ito ni Zia ang pagkakataon na tila ba gusto nang tapusin ang ating pambato na si Magsayo. Nagpakawala na nga ito ng may bibigat na suntok.
Canelo Alvarez against Caleb Plant. I wonder, Joe Goosen, can Mark Magsayo recover? Because his body seems to be broken in half.
You're right, but you never give up. And even if you go
Taking a little more air, his body was buckling, and even the woman's broken. I wondered about his nose, but that's the way he bends over like that. Not a good sign.
it's the
Good hooks to the
right glove up the line.
nice combination.
That's a bad shot right there. That liver shot.
He is looking to hit him on the side. And world class, world champion.
At dito sa round 7 ay unti-unti nang nakabawi si Magsayo mula sa pagka-knockdown nito. Makikita nga natin na kumpiyansa ang Mexican boxer dahil sa lamang na nga ito sa scorecards.
Marching around, firing off these beauties. Exactly where Ceja has to be to win this fight. Look, and here's Julio Ceja acting as the gatekeeper. You must go through me. Magsayo now a dangerous man, and this is a test of his will. That's upstairs right after this. Magsayo again not reacting well. It was good to hear from you. Said it was Ceja making it a fight in a phone book.
He's wrapping him up because he doesn't want any more.
Coming in with both hands too, Joe. Landed with the right hand and the left hand. Ceja looks strong right now. He's working off the
And he's fought some of the best. Good right hand by
close enough to say short. He's able to touch him there. Reclaim old glory. I mean, when he's on the ropes
And not letting him off the ropes. See how he backed off of him?
Seha landing the jab as he gets it now against McSauce. Let him fight out. They do with the right hand by Seha.
Yeah, good body.
Shank Martin is out of Indianapolis. Detroit, he's 14-0. Got a win over the very game.
Pulling off his strategy pretty well.
And Manny Pacquiao at the age of 42.
Pagdating ng round 10 ay dito tinapos na ni Magsayo at nangyari na nga ang hindi inasahan ng mayabang na Mexican boxer. Bagsak na naman ito at tuluyan ang nakatulog sa ibabaw ng luna matapos matamaan ng napakalakas na suntok ni Magsayo.
I think by boxing the past few rounds and not taking one.
What a shot! Backflip successfully by Magsayo. That big comeback is starched.
Mula nang matalo ito ni Magsayo at hanggang sa ngayon ay hindi na nga ito lumalaban pa sa boxing.